Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove PIN from Windows 10. Let's get started. First, go to the Start menu and click on Settings. From there, navigate to Accounts. Here, you'll see that you're signed in with a Microsoft account. What you need to do now is click on Sign in with a local account instead. Then, click Next. Now enter your current PIN. After that, you'll be prompted to set up your local account. Enter a username. Leave the password and confirm password fields blank if you don't want to use any password. But you still need to enter a password hint, so just type anything in that field. Click Next, and then sign out and finish. Now, when you try to log back in, you'll notice that Windows no longer asks for your PIN or password, and that's how you can easily remove or disable the PIN from your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching,